Photoshop software on your computer is very slow? Okay. Let's see how to speed up your current version without switching to another Photoshop version. First, click Edit. Then click on the Performance option under Preference. Then a setting menu like this will appear. This shows you the total RAM capacity that can be used. Here is the RAM capacity that Photoshop software is currently allowed to use. If your value is less than 75%, you can increase it. But more than 75% will interfere with the use of other softwares on your computer and may cause this software to slow down again. After changing the settings, click OK. Are you satisfied with your software speed now? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video.